As we look at insurance, we're going to be looking at probabilities of something happening, and we're going to be trying to figure out how an insurance company makes money based upon knowing probabilities. So what we're going to look at are some situations here where we're given an individual has a policy with a $450 premium. There's a 0.0008 chance that the insurance company will have to pay him. So all we're going to do on these is we're going to take that premium value of 450 and we're going to subtract the probability times the amount the insurance policy is for, or value of policy. So in this case, the individual has a $250,000 policy, and there's a 0.0008 chance that something would happen, probability. So we'll just multiply 0.0008 times 250,000 and subtract that value from 450. The next part says how much would the insurance company be able to make or get if they sold 20,000 of those policies. So once you get that answer, you can figure that answer out as well.